This is a capture race / capture challenge for black. So the goal is to capture these 6 white stones right here. But apparently, black only has 2 liberties left, and white has 3. But white's problem is that all of these stones on the outside are very short on liberties, and black will have to utilize this cutting point right here. So black can cut. It could be the correct first move. And after white captures number 1, black can stand down here. And now if white plays on the outside at number 4, black can simply play at number 5, and white cannot come in from either side. So white can only capture here, and now black will succeed with number 7. It'll be something like this. Cutting here and playing this exchange will shorten white's liberties, will make it even tighter. That's why number 3 here will succeed. If black stands down first, this will be the wrong sequence, because white can play this, and now when black cuts, white can play this move instead of this. Playing here will not require white to play an extra move here, so black will fail this way. So that's why the sequence here is really important. Cutting here first will force white to Atari this way. Now if white Ataris this way, then black will capture these 3 stones very easily. Also note that white can potentially save these 6 stones by playing this as the second move. And this will force black to capture these 2 stones instead. And white will be able to capture these 2 stones, and this will become a life and death problem. Can black kill white this way? And the answer is no. If black tries something like this, then white can succeed with number 6. Black cannot come in here, so black will only allow white to live like this. So this will still be considered correct for the purpose of our problem, because black did achieve a lot of gains here in the corner. So overall, hopefully not too difficult, finding this cut first and this standing down second. Because white is very short on liberties, it is a good pattern and a good sequence to remember. Thank you for watching.